Hey everybody, it's your car guy Stephen Hill here at Jaguar Land Rover West Houston. And I've got a lot of clients adding the Expedition roof racks to the top of their vehicles and asking me what's the additional clearance that's been added to the vehicle to make sure it fits in their garages. So check it out, here's what I came up with. I've got this in feet, but your current height right now is 6'3" if you are in access height, if you lower the vehicle all the way down. Also, if you take it up to normal ride height, which is going to be right there, it's going to be 6'5" for your normal ride height and 6'8" for your off-road height. And then the roof rack, I'm going to show you a video next of the measurements there, but it adds about 4.5 inches to whatever height you've got on the vehicle. So check this out. Roof rack on the top of this Defender here, and I've got my tape measure. We're going to see how high this roof rack is according to the already installed rails. So from the rails up, I'm measuring 4.5 inches. So there's 4 inches, about 4.5 inches to the top of that roof rack there. So that's the official scientific measurement of the roof rack for the Expedition roof rack on a Defender. All right, so there you have it. So it's about 4.5 inches additional height added to the vehicle when you put the Expedition roof rack on your Defender. Like, share, and comment on this video. Any questions or comments, please add those below, and I'll talk to you soon.